So I was able to reach the $6 goal here. So now we are going to do a cash out attempt. So we have done our surveys needed to reach the minimum threshold. So we're just going to go through and choose our prize. So we are going to go and select PayPal because this is the method that I use normally. So we're just going to select that, and then I just have to make sure that the email is correct. And then once I do, I will just go to cash out now. And I updated my email because that wasn't my PayPal email. So there we go. The cash out has been done, and we are just going to await on the next. So a few hours after I cashed out, it gave me the email saying that it'll cash out within 1 to 2 business days. So we're just going to wait for those periods. So it has been 2 business days, and they have finally sent the payout of the cash out. So this does pay out. And this is the proof that you receive here. I have the receipts. There you go.